Dear students, open chapter number 6, Asia, the largest continent. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the countries located in Asia, then the physical features like the mountains, plateaus, deserts, lakes, islands, which are found. We will find out on the map of Asia. Then the description and the impact of latitude and extent and the distinct relief features on the climate of Asia and the climate relationship between the climate and natural vegetation that found in the different regions in Asia. Dear students, we know that Asia is the largest and the most populous continent in the world. It covers 30% of Earth's surface. The diverse continent of Asia occupies the eastern 4/5 of the Eurasian landmass. Eurasia means Asia and Europe together known as Eurasia. There are 48 countries in Asia and the most people of Asia are Chinese, Japanese, Indian or Arabs. In Asia is the birthplace of many religions like Buddhism, Taoism, Jainism, Hinduism, Christianity, etc. The largest cities of Asia are Tokyo, Seoul, then Jakarta, Delhi, Mumbai, Shanghai, etc. Asia is a home to the world's two most populous countries like China and India. We know that China is the most populated country in the world and India is in the second position. Asia is considered a unique continent. Why Asia is known as a unique continent? Because Asia has the diverse culture, population, landscape, plants, wildlife. Not only was Asia home to the great ancient civilization like Harappan civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, Chinese civilization, but it is known to have the highest peaks of the world like Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Godwin Austen, etc. and the most populous cities and the tallest building in the world also located in Asia. Now, dear children, location and extent of Asia. Asia is surrounded by three sides with the water bodies such as Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and the Indian Ocean. From the west, Asia is separated from Europe by the Ural Mountains, Caucasus Sea, then Caspian Sea, Caucasus Mountain, and the Black Sea. In the southwest, Asia is linked with Africa, that is through Sinai Peninsula. So, Sinai Peninsula connects Asia with Africa. The Bering Strait separate Asia from North America in the extreme northeast. So, the basic information that we get from here that Asia is surrounded by three sides with the water bodies. Asia is separated from Europe by the Ural Mountains. Asia is linked with Africa through Sinai Peninsula and Bering Straits that separate Africa from North America. So, dear children, this is the location and extent of Asia. Now, it is given some basic details of the continent Asia, like land area, population, then population density, number of countries located in Asia, the largest city, highest point of Asia, lowest point of Asia, longest river, and the largest desert. See, because of that only, Asia is known as a unique continent. The physical divisions of Asia. There are 48 countries in Asia. Among them, Russia is a only country that is it is a part of Europe and it is a part of Asia also. The countries of that erstwhile USSR that later became a part of Asia include Georgia, Kazakhstan, Armenia, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, etc. The Ural Mountains form an official border between Asia and already we have learned this one that Ural Mountain separate Asia from Europe. Anything West of Ural mountain is considered to be in Europe, whereas anything located that east to the Ural mountain it considered to be Asia. So Ural mountain is a border, the part or anything which is located at the western part of Ural mountain, it is considered to be the part of Europe, and if it is located at the eastern part of the Ural mountain, it is considered to be the part of Asia. The only exception being Russia, which is spread across Europe and Asia. So only Russia is a country that located in Asia also as well as Russia, Europe. Countries which are a part of two countries are known as a transcontinental countries or intercontinental countries. So it is a definition. Countries which are a part of two countries known as a transcontinental countries. Example, Russia. The Asian landmass is divided into 6 regions such as East Asia, North Asia, Central Asia, Southeast Asia, South Asia, and West Asia. Now, we will see that the countries, name of the countries which fall in the different regions of Asia. First, it is given East Asia. The countries which are located in East Asia are China, Hong Kong, Japan, North Korea, South Korea, etc. The countries which are located in North Asia like Siberia, then Russian far eastern part, etc. The countries which are located Central Asia like Kazakhstan, then Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Azerbaijan, Armenia. The countries which are located Southeast Asia are Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, etc. The South Asian countries are India, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Bangladesh, etc. And the West Asian countries are Israel, Lebanon, Syria, Jordan, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Iran, Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain, these are. So dear children, first of all you go through this part properly. Then in the next class we will do the rest of the part. Thank you.